Um, I'm sorry, I won't be able to answer that because it has to. We have not decided anything on that front. Management probably would take that call on the 12th as to who opens the batting and who bats down. But yeah, as far as that is concerned, you have to wait till the 12th and see what happens. Yeah, exactly. I don't want them to be thinking about anything. That's how they bring their best performance out. Watching them closely for a few years now, I've realized that it's important for them to come here and be part of this wonderful team, a great setup, which the team has, and team has success. Team has had tasted success for all these years. So I want them to be just having fun, understanding what this team is all about, because keeping in mind that this is their first time into the squad. They will be a little nervous. They will be thinking about performances and all of that. But it's important for people like me and few others in the team, the senior members, the coaching staff, to tell them that this is just another team that you got to be part of, and you just have to enjoy that moment. Because thinking about performances and what I need to do if I get an opportunity will only put pressure on them. So I think it's important for them to just have fun, relax, and be part of this wonderful setup first. And then when the opportunity comes, I'm sure these guys have done really well in the last few years, especially last year. And it's just about carrying that form and putting it out here. This is not going to be that easy here. They will be challenged every now and then, but that is what international cricket is all about. You will be challenged every now and then, and how you respond to those challenges is crucial. So we just need to keep telling them about to having that right mindset to counter that challenges which lies in front of them. No, boss. You're playing for India. There is no rehearsal here. You're playing for the country. You're wearing that jersey and going out there. So there is no time for rehearsal and all that. You just got to be at it. Doesn't matter which opposition you play. You're wearing the national jersey and going out. So I think for us, it is important to win the series, to do our best, not to think about too far ahead. Just focus on the present, and the future will take care of itself. If we focus on the present, future will be bright, obviously. We just need to focus on what's in our hand and focus on the present and do these little things right. It's a 5-match series. It's a long series. And as a team, for us, it's important to see where we stand as a team, where we stand as individual also. But there's no time for rehearsal here, boss. We just need to be at it, and we need to have that mindset of winning each and every game that we play here. I think if we can let Rishabh Pant be Rishabh Pant, he'll come out and give you those performances. I've said it in the past many a times before that leave Rishabh Pant alone and he'll give you those performances. He can only go from strength to strength from here. There's no looking back for him. He's done exceptionally well in the last few months, from Australia to the home series that we played just now against England. He's performed really well, and I don't see anything stopping him unless we try and put pressure on him. We, as in you guys, trying to put pressure on him. I think it's important for him to let be him, and he likes to enjoy his game. You must have seen it on the ground, how he likes to play his game, and that is what we as team management and team players, his teammates, expect from him, to just be out there and enjoy the game and do what he likes to do. The good thing about his game right now, what I feel, is he's starting to understand the situation, the game situation, which is good. For someone like him to understand the game situation and play according to that is something that he can tick off from his personal box. And like I said, he can go from strength to strength from here. He's looked very good in whatever he has done, whether we talk about his keeping, whether we talk about his approach, or his batting. He's looked very good in all those three departments. And yeah, I mean, this is another series for him which will take his confidence a notch higher if he keeps performing in the same manner, and we let him be alone, and we allow him to play with freedom. It's important for someone like him. He needs that freedom, and as a team management, we are prepared to do that. I'm going to ask you the same question. Are you prepared to do the same? I can't reveal whether who starts or who doesn't start, but of course he's been with the squad and he's an integral part of the squad. He's been working on his bowling, he's been working on his batting, particular skill sets that he has. He's been trying to sharpen those skill set as well. It's been good month and a half that he's been with the team, and what he needed to do in order to get ready for this limited over series. He's done pretty much everything. So it seems that the time has come for him to get ready and start doing what he does, and you will see that on the 12th. He's worked hard on his bowling and hard on his batting as well in this last few weeks. So I hope what the team expects him to do, he's ready to do that. सर नहीं, फ़ायदा यही है कि जब आपको अपने गेम को छोड़कर दूसरी गेम खेलनी पड़ती है तो एक अपने आप में एक बैटल आप ऑलरेडी जीत गए हो. तो मैं समझता हूँ कि जब भी आपको अपने नेचर के अगेंस्ट जाना पड़ता है और वो चीज़ें करनी पड़ती है जो आप यूज्ड टू नहीं हो, वो आपके लिए एक छोटी सी जीत है. तो ये सब चीज़ अगर आप करते रहोगे अगेन एंड अगेन, ये जो आपका कॉन्फिडेंस है, ये कॉन्फिडेंस आपका ऊपर हमेशा जाएगा. तो आई थिंक मैं समझता हूँ कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया में और यहाँ पर इंडिया में स्पेशली जिस तरीके का बैटिंग मैंने किया, मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. स्पेशली लास्ट टेस्ट मैच में जहाँ पर रन तो मैंने 49 ही बनाए थे, बट मैंने 150 बॉल खेला था उसके लिए. तो वो मेरे लिए एक काफ़ी बड़ा जीत था मेरे खुद के लिए, क्योंकि अपने नेचर के अगेंस्ट खेलना पड़ रहा था. वो लोग मुझे काफ़ी बाहर बॉल डाल रहे थे. मन तो कर रहा था कि मैं शॉट मारूं, लेकिन वो नेचर जो मेरा है शॉट खेलने का, वो नेचर को मैंने थोड़ा सा साइड में रखा और अपनी बैटिंग की. जैसे आप लोग बोलते हो कि ख़राब शॉट मार दिया और आउट हो गया, वो ख़राब शॉट नहीं मारा मैंने. अपने आप को संभाला. उस समय काफ़ी ज़रूरत था मुझे डिसिप्लिन के साथ खेलना. अनफॉर्चुनेटली आउट हो गया 49 पर, बट मुझे काफ़ी खुशी मिला. तो मेरे लिए एक्चुअली एज अ बैट्समैन टेस्ट क्रिकेट में अभी चैलेंज ये है कि मैं कितना बॉल खेलता हूँ, कितने रन बनाता हूँ, वो नहीं. मेरे लिए है 100 बॉल खेलना, 150 बॉल खेलना, 200 बॉल खेलना और उससे ज़्यादा बॉल खेलना. मेरे लिए वो चैलेंज है. मैं ये सोचता हूँ कि मुझे बॉल्स खेलने, रन अपने आप होंगे, बट मेरे लिए चैलेंज ये है कि अगर मैं देखूँ कि मैं कितना बॉल्स खेल सकता हूँ, अपने आप में एक छोटा सा बैटल है, वो मैं जीतूंगा. और मेरे लिए आई थिंक मेरे लिए और टीम के लिए भी वो काफ़ी फ़ायदेमंद रहेगा.